Let's watch the video. What's it about?
It's about the art of Chinese calligraphy.
That's a beautiful way to write Chinese characters.
Yes, it's very beautiful. It looks very difficult too. People use ink and a special brush.
I think it takes a long time to learn how to do it. Let's have a look.
The art of Chinese calligraphy is over 3,000 years old. It is a very special and traditional form of art in China. Chinese calligraphy is an important part of Chinese history and culture. It is still very popular today. People use it in many different ways. You can see calligraphy in many places in China. These messages are to bring good luck for the new year. People study the art of calligraphy for many years. It takes a long time to be good at calligraphy. You need a good brush to make beautiful calligraphy. These brushes are often long and have a wooden handle. Brush makers use animal hair to make the tip of the brush. This hair can come from goats, rabbits, or other animals. People can make their own ink. You need an ink stick, an ink stone, and a little water. You put a little bit of water on the ink stone, then press the ink stick onto the stone. You move it around in circles to make the ink. You need to practice a lot to know when the ink is ready. When the ink is ready, you put the tip of the brush in the ink. Then you move the brush across the paper. People often use special rice paper for calligraphy. This comes in different sizes. Some children in China still learn calligraphy in school. Some children take calligraphy classes after school. Or they can learn at home too. At any age, calligraphy can be a very beautiful way to write.
The black ink looked so beautiful on the white paper.
And the people who were doing it must really like it.
I want to do calligraphy. Let's try.
Okay, what do we need?
We need paper. What else do we need?